What's up to my genius squad out there, man? All my entrepreneurs, hustlers, business owners, and dreamers out there. I'm praying for you. I'm hoping that, in this time with this pandemic of the coronavirus, that you are finding the silver lining with your family, with more time to be able to think about your next steps. How can you grow your business? But the reality of it is, I know it's a lot of people struggling, a lot of people stressing, because they have no clue well, what the hell to do next. And so the reason why I'm making this video is to share some tips about what businesses can do, during the coronavirus. How can you market your business? How can you stay in business? How can you keep from losing your business? Whatever the case may be, I just wanted to share a few tips with you that you can use right now. The first one is you got to change your marketing message. I've seen it online a lot. I've seen it on TV. A lot of these big brands, these big businesses are still running the same message that they were running before this virus. Life is totally changed. Things are totally different right now, and they will forever be different. And so if your marketing message is anything prior to that, then your audience is going to think you're dated. They're going to think you don't really know what's going on. You don't really know your customer. Now, your business or your product may have nothing to do with the coronavirus. You could be selling cars, and obviously there's really nothing you can do right now, but you can change that message up. You can somehow figure out a way to be a part of the conversation, and add value to the conversation, whether that's a buyback program or whether that's providing cars for seniors in this time of need at discounts or whatever. I don't know what it may be for your business, but you need to repurpose your marketing message, because you also don't want to come off insensitive. You don't want to come off, like a jerk, like you don't know that people are really struggling and they're losing their jobs and they're in fear of their health. You know what I mean? So that's the first thing I would do, is change your marketing message, because people will take note of that. The next thing you want to do is you want to build trust. You want to build hope with your online community, with your local community, and you want to do it through I always say this word wrong, philanthropic work. Okay, now what I mean by that, maybe your business can donate food to a hospital, to healthcare workers, or grocery store workers, or anyone that's working and putting their life on the line right now. Maybe there's some way you can provide a service to them, and through that, people start to take notice of what you have going on, and you become more trusted in that community, whether it's online or locally. But if you start thinking like that, how can I do some philanthropic? You know what I mean. How can I do some work like that to really help in this time that's going on right now? And you never know, you may be able to spawn new business through that. The last one is you also want to focus on connection. Obviously, we're now in a digital world. And so how can you take what you have and make it digital? Whether that be through a virtual networking event, webinar, a workshop, a one-on-one Skype training. I don't know what that looks like for your business, but it's time to make it digital. Right now is the time to do it. And so I highly encourage you to really think hard and long about how you can create a revenue stream from becoming digital. And again, I don't know what that looks like. Maybe you start an e-commerce section. Maybe you start a consultation section. I don't know what that looks like for you personally, but now is the time to start thinking about how to make your business digital. I have a ton of different ideas for about 50 different industries. So, if you need some advice, feel free to reach out to me, james@iconicgenius.com. Also, I would highly suggest checking out my website, iconicgenius.com. I have a ton of free tools up there. I even have a marketing stimulus package right now that's very interesting to small business owners. They're really gravitating to it, and it's just one way that I can help. And so feel free to check it out. If there's any way that I can help you beyond these videos, I'm always here to do that. That's why I call you guys my Genius Squad, because we're in this thing together. All right, so reach out to me, man. I'm here for you guys. Peace.